Alright, we're gonna go look for my deer I just shot 20 minutes ago. Yeah, I just shot it about 20 minutes ago using me a Rage Broadhead. I thought that motherfucker would drop instantly, but that motherfucker kept running. It didn't even really look like a deer, it looked like a person kind of. I don't know, but we'll see what happens. It ran sort of up here towards his graveyard. And it ran somewhere over here towards this bridge thing. Oh shit, a tree! Oh, never mind. Oh. Alright, I think we went this way. Alright. Oh wait, here's some blood. Alright, let's go over here. What the fuck was that? Holy shit. I'm running.
Yeah! No!
Ah!